Hi, I'm Darren, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm sitting here out on the dock with Amaya Raine, and it is July 3rd, the day before the 250th anniversary of the birth of this nation, which is, it's hard to believe that here it is July 3rd already, but even more momentous than tomorrow, today is Amaya Raine Day with Marna at Dolls Rescued and Dory at Dory's Dollies, and the theme this week is water play. And so here we are out playing in the water, and we hope that you too will join us showing your dolls doing something fun out in the water, participating in a water sport, or doing something else water related. It's awfully hot here in the Midwest. What a great opportunity, great excuse to get out there and play in the water. If you have a video today, we hope that you will say that below in the comments that you have a video so that we can all go and enjoy it. And of course, please go over to Dory's Dollies, take a look at her video. She will have something fantastic, I can guarantee you. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Thank you for participating. And I hope you have a great and safe and fun 4th of July. And of course, July 3rd. Happy Amaya Raine Day.